Okay, good morning, sixth grade. Boop-a-doo, it's Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. Got 2 pages today, 2 pages tomorrow, and you'll be through for the week. You guys are rocking it. I know you're doing well. I miss you guys. That never changes. Okay, so paragraph perfection today. Decide whether the sentence below belong in a paragraph about hurricanes. Write yes or no on each line. How hard is that? Then write a paragraph about hurricanes using your own facts and details to support the main idea. Your own facts means going out there, research a little bit, find out something about hurricanes, and then write your own sentence. And don't forget, you got to have details to support your main idea. So what's your main idea? Hurricanes are destructive. Hurricanes are awesome. Hurricanes happen at this time of the year. Whatever you decide is your main topic, make sure you've got details that support that, right? That prove it. Okay, so you have to decide which sentences belong in a paragraph about hurricanes and write yes or no. Hurricanes are dangerous tropical storms. They form over the warm waters of the ocean. Tornadoes are another type of storm. Would that belong in a hurricane paragraph? Tornadoes? Really? Come on. Okay. Violent winds spin counterclockwise around the center or eye. Does a hurricane have an eye? Better do some research because I think they do. Okay. And warm water and hot air make hurricanes stronger. I don't know if that's true or false. I think it is true. So now look in this little space right here. So you have some information here, but I want you to do a little more research. Jump out there on the web if you can. Find out about hurricanes. And then write a short little paragraph about it. How hard is that? Okay, that's page 24. Page 25 belongs to your math teacher. And then I want you to look at page 26. Choose an informational article from a newspaper or magazine. Determine the author's purpose. We talk about that all the time. Provide evidence from the text to support your answer. So, authors of informational texts write to explain, persuade, describe, express. Now, we say it a little bit differently, don't we? We say persuade, inform, entertain. And then I would say that this describe is a really nice way of saying it. So to explain something, to persuade you to believe something, to describe what something looks like or what an event is or blah, 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 right? Or to express an opinion or feelings, right? I might write about how certain things are affecting the climate and our planet and those certain things. Sorry, I have got to start remembering to turn this off. How those things affect our planet, and then I would be very passionate about that, and I would have great opinions about that, and so then I would be expressing those opinions if I was writing an informational text. Okay, so and they're always talking about persuade, inform, entertain. That was not for informational text. That's for fiction. What's Miss Simpson thinking? My goodness. Here we go. So I want you to find an article. Get a newspaper, get a magazine, get an old encyclopedia in your hand. I don't care. Find something. You can do it. I know you can because you guys are resourceful and you're smart and you're clever and you can do it. So find me an article. Tell me what the name of the article is. Source of the article. In other words, what's the publication? Did it come out of your workbook? Did it come from, I have magazines all over the place. From a magazine? Did it come from an encyclopedia? Did it come from a newspaper? You tell me, where did this come from? What's the author's purpose in writing the article? So you can go right back up here. Was it to explain, persuade, describe, or express? Tell me the author's purpose for writing the article. The author wrote this article to explain why spiders are the cruelest creature ever. I don't know what article you're reading, but let's just say, okay? And then number 2, what evidence is there of the author's purpose? Use quotations. Remember, quotations, something that somebody said, and we put quotation marks around to show that that's what they said, to provide exact statements from the article, okay? That's all you have to do today, those 2 pages, 24 and 26. That's it. Whop! Tomorrow, though, is going to be kind of fun. I don't want you looking ahead, but I'm going to show you anyway. We get to do glad libs tomorrow. Those are my favorite. Fill in each blank with the appropriate part of speech. When all the blanks have been filled in, read the story aloud. So try not to read it as you go. Just make up, if we were doing this in class, I'd say, give me a noun, give me an adjective, give me a verb. And y'all would give me words and we would fill them in the blanks and then we'd read the sentence and it would be super silly. So do this and have fun with it. And actually, I think that's it for, oh no, you get to write an alternate ending tomorrow. This is tomorrow. You get to write an alternate ending. You're going to make a storyboard, and it's going to be fun. I promise. I know I promised you guys some guest teachers for this week, and hopefully I can persuade one of those guest teachers to show up tomorrow or maybe even later today. Who knows? But anyway, you guys take good care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Take care of one another, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.